Nintendo's goal is not to make the latest and greatest best thing you've ever seen. Their goal is not to use the hottest new chip or the hottest new technology. So they're jumping from one point to another. Lateral thinking with withered technology. They want to use stuff that's old. They want to use stuff that is reliable and stuff that has been around for a long time and stuff that they can depend on. Nintendo is not worried about graphics. They want to make stuff that's been familiar. And the Game Boy is a perfect example of this. The Game Boy is one of the most successful consoles of all time. But he also knew that if they depended on just good graphics that could be recognized through any color, it would work and it would connect with other people. Blizzard looked around and they actually hired a bunch of Dark Age of Camelot players to help them make World of Warcraft because they said, look at all these MMOs that are really cool but are so messy to play and so hard to understand and so hard to get into.